Hello, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to explain that how the respiratory system work and what is the diffusion, how the exchange of the gases take place in the human body, and how the respiration system just help to the digestions and the other property in the human body. So here is the diagram where we try to understand that how the respiration system worked. So this is the mouth, and this is the nostril, nose, where the two holes which is known as the nostril. Through nostril we take the air inside the windpipe. Here is a point which is known as the epiglottis, where the windpipe and the food pipe joint in a place that is known the epiglottis, and then the air just get inside the trachea, and through trachea there is the branches like structure inside the lungs which is known as the bronchs, and in the bronchs there is a balloon like structures which is known as the alveoli. This is alveoli, balloon like structures, that is known as the alveolis, and through this all the exchanges of the gases take place. So let's understand. Well, so this is, I have already told, there's the nostril when we take the oxygen through that or the air inside and just reach to the hair which is known as the larynx, which is the voice box and the mainly cause for the sound producing in human body, and through it just reaches to the hair which is known as the trachea, that is known as trachea. And this is pink sac like structure which is known as lungs, and between the two lungs there is a heart, it's heart between the two lungs. Then when the air just reaches to in the that pink sac, inside that there is a this like structures which is known as bronches. It's a branch like structure, that's why it's known as branch. But in the branch there is a multiple branches which is known as bronchioles, and these bronchioles and alveoli just condense with the blood vessels. There is a blood vessel so that we can exchange the gases. So this is the full process when the all air just reaches to the sac, the pink sac, and inside that there is a bronches, bronchioles and the alveoli. Then here is a sheath which is known as diaphragm, provide a stable balance for the two pink sacs which is known as lungs. So how the gases exchange with the blood, this is the full process how the gas enter in the lungs of the human. But now how the exchange of the gases takes place, so let's move down. Here is what is diffusion. So basically I'm trying to make understood you that how the gases exchange through the respirations just through the diffusion. So this is the structure of alveoli, this is alveoli. When the just air enter here, air enter inside this, and this is a vessel, this is a blood vessel. The same, the multiple of alveoli and the multiple vessels just encircled through it. So what is basically, what is diffusion? When the concentration of the gases, for example carbon dioxide and oxygen, when the concentration change high concentration toward the low concentration, that is diffusion. So basically the same thing just happen here. When the oxygen rich or carbon dioxide rich air just reach here, then the concentration of that capillary, special capillary of the blood vessel just increase the concentration and move high concentration toward the low concentration, so that the air move here, so CO2 move here. And when the concentration just raise low here, then O2 just move like this. So this is the full process. This is all about the concentration. When the concentration of the particular gas is high, then it move high concentration toward the low concentration, that is happen in the diffusion. And that this is the main cause that how the gases exchanges through the diffusion, and this is the full process. And the same gas is just reached to the all body of the human and where the aerobic respiration take place. And I have already told you the main cause of the aerobic respiration is that when we take breath, and all the processes inside the body happens due to the aerobic respiration, because when we take a breath it will help to exchange the gases in the human body and just to supply the oxygen rich air in the whole body. And the same when this air reaches to the digestive system, then there is another work of it, that it will help in the digestion and the just changes the glucose or just decompose the glucose into the some other smaller component. So this is the full process that how the respiration system work. So if you are interested in such like topics, then please subscribe and thank you.